The Wyze Dual Cam Doorbell, now available for a front porch near you. At your house. Wyze Dual Cam Doorbell. The doorbell that is gonna be at your house and keeping an eye out in 2 different directions. Wyze Dual Cam Doorbell. It's a doorbell that is better than all the other ones. Wyze Dual Cam Doorbell. It's the doorbell that you need when you need to keep an eye on 2 things at once. I'm talking about the people and I'm talking about the packages, the double PP. Wyze Dual Cam Doorbell. Because I said so.